Hello student, how are you? I hope you are fine. So today we will discuss about the chapter sound. And in chapter sound, at first we will discuss about our first definition, sound. So what is the sound? So basically, it is a form of energy that enables us to hear the voice of an object very clearly. And also, it gives the sensation of hearing to our ears. And also it is a type of longitudinal mechanical wave. Understand? So what is sound? So it is a form of energy that enables us to hear the voice of an object very clearly. It is a form of energy. It is a form of energy and it gives us the sensation of hearing to our ears. And also it is a type of longitudinal mechanical wave. Understand? So this is the definition of sound. So what is the sound? So it is a form of energy that enables us, that gives us the sense of hearing to our ears, by which we can hear the voice of an object very clearly. It is a type of longitudinal mechanical wave. Means sound is a type of longitudinal mechanical wave. अंडरस्टैंड तो कहने का मतलब ये है कि साउंड एक ऐसी एनर्जी का फॉर्म है जिसके थ्रू हम किसी ऑडिबल वॉइस को क्लियरली विद द हेल्प ऑफ आवर ईयर हम उसको सुन सकते हैं. दिस इज द साउंड. किसी भी ऑब्जेक्ट की जो वॉइस होती है वो हमारे ईयर्स के थ्रू, वो जो हमारे ईयर्स में आती है तो थ्रू द साउंड वेवी आती है जिससे हम उस ऑब्जेक्ट की वॉइस को क्लियरली सुन सकते हैं. Understand? And also sound is a form of energy, and basically sound is a form of energy, means it is a one type of type energy, and also sound is a type of longitudinal mechanical wave. यानी कि साउंड जो होती है वो एक लॉन्गिट्यूडनल मैकेनिकल वेव है. अब बात ये होती है कि व्हाट इज द लॉन्गिट्यूडनल वेव एंड व्हाट इज द मैकेनिकल वेव. तो इसके लिए मैं एक अलग से एक वीडियो में डिटेल्स में आप लोगों को एक्सप्लेन करूंगा व्हाट इज द लॉन्गिट्यूडनल वेव एंड व्हाट इज द मैकेनिकल वेव. तो आज के इस वीडियो में हमें केवल क्या देखना है, द डेफिनेशन ऑफ साउंड. सो डेफिनेशन ऑफ साउंड हमने देख लिया, अच्छे से इसको समझ लिया. आई रिपीट अगेन, व्हाट इज द डेफिनेशन ऑफ साउंड. सो इट इज अ फॉर्म ऑफ एनर्जी दैट enables us to see the I repeat again, what is the sound? So it is a form of energy that enables us to hear the voice of an object, and also it gives us the sensation of hearing to our ears. ठीक है? Understand? Now it is a type of longitudinal mechanical wave. It is a type of longitudinal mechanical wave. This is the definition of sound. Understand? Okay. Now our next topic is properties of sound. Now we will talk about properties of sound. So there are following properties of sound. Listen carefully and continue watch the video. And now our next heading is properties of sound. So there are many properties of sound. And first, sound is a form of energy. Sound is a form of energy. Now, second property, it is a type of longitudinal mechanical wave. It gives the sense of hearing fourth number, sound sound requires a medium to travel. Next, the speed of sound is depend on the matter medium. So our next topic is properties of sound. So here following properties of sound. First number, sound is a form of energy. This is the first property of sound. Now second, it is a type of longitudinal mechanical wave, as already we have discussed in our definition of sound. Now third property, it gives the sense of hearing. It already completed in our next definition of sound. Fourth property, sound requires a medium to travel. And next, fifth and last property, the speed of sound is depend on the matter medium. So these are the properties of sound. So what are the properties of sound? So first number, it is a form of energy. Means sound जो होती है वो एक एनर्जी का फॉर्म है. साउंड एक एनर्जी का फॉर्म है. एनर्जी के कई फॉर्म्स होते हैं, जैसे लाइट एनर्जी, हीट एनर्जी, इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी, मैग्नेटिक एनर्जी, न्यूक्लियर एनर्जी, विंड एनर्जी. ये सारे क्या है? These are the forms of energy, and one of them, sound, is also a form of energy. Now, what is the second property? So, sound is a type of longitudinal mechanical wave. Means sound क्या होती है? Sound एक mechanical wave होती है. So, what are the mechanical wave? What are the mechanical wave? So, the wave which requires a medium is called mechanical wave. Listen carefully. The definition of mechanical wave. So what is the mechanical wave? So the wave which requires a medium to travel is called mechanical wave. Like sound wave, water wave, ocean wave, spring wave. ये ऐसी वेव्स होती हैं जिनको ट्रेवल करने के लिए मीडियम की रिक्वायरमेंट होती है, और जिस भी वेव को ट्रेवल करने के लिए मीडियम की रिक्वायरमेंट होती है, so that all types of wave is known as mechanical wave. ये सारी वेव क्या होती है? हमारी मैकेनिकल वेव होती है. Understand? And what are the longitudinal wave? So there are two types of mechanical wave. First is transverse wave and second longitudinal wave. So what are the transverse wave? So the wave in which particles of the medium vibrate perpendicular to the direction of propagation of wave is called transverse wave. Like electromagnetic wave, spring wave, water wave are the types of electromagnetic, are the types of transverse wave. Now what is the longitudinal wave? So longitudinal wave, the wave in which particles of the medium vibrate in the direction of propagation of wave. In the direction of propagation of wave means parallel to the direction of propagation of wave. So then it is called longitudinal wave. यानी longitudinal wave वो wave होती है जिसमें जो मीडियम के पार्टिकल्स होते हैं वो वेव के प्रोपोगेशन की डायरेक्शन के पैरेलल ही, यानी कि सेम उस डायरेक्शन में ही क्या करते हैं? मीडियम के पार्टिकल्स वाइब्रेट करते हैं. So this type of wave is known as longitudinal wave, and longitudinal wave is a type of mechanical wave. Hence we can say that sound is a type of longitudinal mechanical wave. Now next, it gives the sense of hearing. Means with the help of sound we can hear the voice of an object. Now next property, sound requires to travel. Sound requires a medium to travel. Means sound को travel करने के लिए मीडियम की रिक्वायरमेंट होती है. Why? Because sound is a type of longitudinal mechanical wave, and mechanical wave is a type of wave which requires a medium to travel. So ultimately we can say that sound requires a medium to travel. Now next and last property, the speed of sound is depend on the matter medium. Now the value of speed of sound is depend on the matter medium. We have three matter medium: solid medium, liquid medium, and gaseous medium. So the speed of sound is different in different medium, different matter medium. The velocity of sound is maximum in solid. The speed of sound is maximum in solid, and the speed of sound is minimum in gaseous, gas. Understand? So the minimum value of sound in air is 340 meter per second, and the maximum value of sound is that is in steel is 5000 meter per second, and the speed of sound in water is 1400 meter per second. So these are the properties of sound. Understand? Is that clear? Okay.